Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn with Riaz. How are you today? Today, I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about shopping for clothes.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Yes, let's start. But first, dear listeners, if you are new to Learn with Riaz, please click the subscribe button right now. It helps our channel grow.
Yes, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our easy English lessons.
Thank you, everyone. Now, Emma, do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, Riaz, I love shopping for clothes. It is one of my favorite hobbies.
That is interesting. I only go shopping when I really need new clothes.
Oh, really? Why is that, Riaz?
Because clothes shopping takes a lot of time and stores are always very crowded.
That is true. Stores can be very busy, especially on weekends, but I like looking at different styles and colors.
Speaking of colors, what is your favorite color for clothes?
I love blue and white. They look very clean and nice. What about you?
I prefer black and dark blue. Dark colors are easy to clean and they look professional.
I agree. Black looks very elegant. When was the last time you bought clothes?
I bought a new shirt last week for a special family event.
Wow. Was it easy to find?
No, it was a bit difficult because I didn't know my exact size.
Ah, sizes can be tricky. Did you try it on before buying?
Yes, I went to the changing room to check the fit. The medium size was too small, so I bought a large size.
That is smart. It is always best to try clothes on first. Different brands have different sizes.
Exactly. Let's stop for a moment. Dear listeners, what about you? Do you like shopping for clothes? What is your favorite color to wear? Please write your answer in the comments below.
Yes, we want to read your answers. Please tell us in the comments.
Now, Emma, let's start our learning section to teach some easy English vocabulary.
Great idea. Let's look at the phrase try on.
Yes, try on means to put on clothing to see if it fits and looks good.
For example, I want to try on this jacket before I buy it.
Excellent example. What about the room where you change clothes?
We call it a changing room or a fitting room.
Yes, both are correct. You can ask a shop assistant, "Where is the fitting room, please?"
That is a very useful sentence for beginners when they go to a store.
Let's talk about grammar. The verb to buy is an irregular verb. The past tense is not buyed, it is bought.
Right. So we say, yesterday I bought a beautiful dress.
What about the verb to choose, like choosing a color?
To choose is also an irregular verb. The past tense is chose.
Yes, he chose the red shirt instead of the blue one.
Perfect. Now let's practice pronunciation for a word that many beginners say wrong. Clothes.
Ah, yes, the word clothes can be hard. The TH is very soft, and the S sounds like a Z. It almost sounds like clothes.
Clothes. Do not say clothes with two syllables. It is just one syllable. Clothes.
Excellent tip, Emma. Now, let's go back to our conversation. Do you like shopping online or do you prefer going to real markets?
I prefer going to real markets and shops. I like to touch the fabric and see the real colors.
I understand. Online shopping can be risky because you cannot see the quality of the clothes.
Yes, sometimes the clothes arrive and they are too big or the color is completely different from the website picture.
That is so true. It happened to me once with the jacket. I had to send it back.
Oh, really? That sounds like a lot of trouble.
Yes, it was a waste of time. So now I prefer local shops.
Local shops are great because you support your local business owners too.
I agree with you completely. If you are enjoying this conversation and learning new words, don't forget to share this video with your friends.
Yes, sharing helps other beginners learn English too. Thank you.
Now, Emma, let's talk about winter clothes versus summer clothes.
Oh, that is a great subtopic. Winter clothes are very different.
Yes, in the winter we need heavy clothes, for example, coats, jackets, and sweaters.
And don't forget scarves and gloves to keep your hands and neck warm.
Exactly. Winter clothes are usually more expensive than summer clothes.
Yes, because the materials are thicker. Wool and leather cost more money.
That is a good point. What about summer clothes? They are light and thin.
Yes, in the summer we wear t-shirts, shorts, and light dresses.
Cotton is the best material for summer because it keeps you cool.
Cotton keeps you cool. That is a very nice phrase, Riaz.
Thank you, Emma. Let's explain the word material or fabric.
Yes, fabric means the cloth used to make clothes. Examples are cotton, wool, silk, and jeans material, which we call denim.
Ah, denim. Everyone loves denim jeans. Do you wear jeans often, Emma?
Yes, I wear jeans almost every day. They are very comfortable and durable.
What does durable mean? Let's explain it to our beginner learners.
Durable means something is strong and lasts for a very long time. It does not break or tear easily.
That is a wonderful vocabulary word. Jeans are very durable. You can wear them for years.
Exactly. What about shoes, Riaz? Do you count shoes as part of clothes shopping?
Yes, footwear is very important. I love comfortable shoes like sneakers or running shoes.
Me too. High heels look nice, but they hurt my feet after 1 hour.
Wow, I can imagine. Sneakers are definitely better for walking around stores.
Definitely. When you go shopping, do you prefer to go alone or with a friend?
I prefer to go alone. I want to buy what I need quickly and leave the store.
Oh, I see. I prefer to go with a friend because I like to ask for their opinion.
That makes sense. A friend can tell you if a shirt looks good on you or not.
Yes, sometimes I think a dress looks beautiful, but my friend says, "No, Emma, that color does not suit you."
That is helpful. The verb to suit means it looks good on you because of your appearance or color.
Yes, for example, green suits you very well.
Great example. Let's give another one. That formal suit suits the manager.
Wow, that is a clever sentence using suit as a noun and a verb.
Yes, the first suit is the coat and trousers, and the second suits is the action verb.
Our listeners are learning so much today. Let's do another quick check-in. Listeners, do you prefer shopping alone or with friends? Type it in the comments below.
Yes, let us know your style. Now, Emma, let's talk about casual clothes versus formal clothes.
Casual clothes are what we wear at home or when meeting friends. T-shirts, hoodies, and jeans.
And formal clothes are for offices, weddings, or business meetings. Suits, ties, and formal shirts.
I love casual clothes because they feel relaxing.
Me too. But wearing a nice formal suit makes you feel very powerful and confident.
That is true. It changes your attitude completely.
Yes, it does. Well, Emma, today was a lot of fun. We learned many useful words about shopping, materials, and clothing styles.
I enjoyed our conversation today too, Riaz. It's a very easy and daily life topic.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to our podcast today on Learn with Riaz.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.